Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Rajkumar's Learning App, myself Subramanya. In this session, we shall have a discuss on topic puzzles. Let's move on to our problems now. Problem number 1 to 2. There are 5 friends, namely A, B, C, D and E, each having different heights. D is taller than only 2 persons, B is not the shortest, A is shorter than only 1 person, C is taller than both E and B. Here we have some passage which is regarding comparison of their heights. They are telling D is taller than only 2 persons. D is taller when compared to only 2 persons. When compared to other 2 persons, he is the shorter. Then B is not the shortest. They are telling that B does not comes in a short position. A is little shorter only when compared to C, but he is taller when compared to all other persons except A. A is shorter than only 1 person. That 1 person will be in this position. C is taller than both E and B. Here we can't write B means B will come in this position and the only remaining left out is E. E will comes in last position. So the correct order for solving these kind of problem is C, A, D, B and E. Let us discuss the problem now. Who among the following is a shortest person? On observing the sequence, we can clearly say that the shortest person is person E. So option C is the right answer. With the same passage, we have another one question. Who among the following holds 4th position when all of them are arranged in a ascending order of their heights? Here in this passage, they are telling about comparison of their heights. On solving the above case, we have C, A, D, B, E as the sequence when counted from descending order. The same sequence when counted from ascending order, we have E, B, D, A and C. The right option for this question is option A. When moving on to our next problem, among the 6 students, P, Q, R, S, T and V, each of them having different age. P is younger than only S. Only 3 students are younger than R. V is younger than T. V is not the youngest. Again, we are having a case on a age study. Let's see how to solve this problem. They are telling P is younger when compared to only S. When compared to all other, P is elder. Only 3 persons are younger than R. They are telling after R, there will be only 3 positions. So I can write R in this position. Next, V is younger than T. V is smaller than T, but V does not sit in last position. We should not write V in last position. So we can write the order as in this way. Okay, we can write T and V in 3rd position and 2nd position. Right, we have filled all 5 positions, but we still require 1 position. That 1 position will be filled by Q. They are asking who among the following is youngest. As per the sequence, the youngest position is holding by Q. So the right option is B. Coming to the 4th one, among D, E, F, G and H, each having a different height. F is taller than only D. G is shorter than E and taller than H. The case given here is F when compared to D, he is only taller, but he is shorter when compared to other 3. G is shorter when compared to E and he is taller when compared to H. So the right sequence for this problem is E, G, H, F and D. See here, E, G, H, F, D is the right sequence. In that right sequence, we need to search who is the tallest one. From the sequence, we can have E as the tallest person. So the right option is option A. From the sequence, we are having another one question. Let's study now. If the height of the one who is second tallest is 167, what is the probable height of E? Who is the second tallest here? The second tallest is G and their height is 167 centimeter. They are telling the height of second highest as 167 centimeter, and what they are asking, what is the possible height of E? The possible height of E should be more than 167. Out of options, we have only one option which is going beyond 167, that is option A. That is the probable height of E can be 182 centimeter. Coming to our next problem. Among 5 friends, P, Q, R, S, T, each scored different marks in an examination out of total 100 marks. S scored more than only T. R scored less than P. S scored more than only T. Behind it, yes, we have still 3 more persons. R is scored less when compared to P. Only one person has scored more than Q. Next, the one who scored second highest scored 87 marks. In this condition, we have filled everything except one place. That is, that one place will be filled by R. So the right sequence for this question is P, Q, R, S and T. They are telling who scored the third least marks in an examination. Third least scorer is R. So the option is option C. Coming on to our next question. Which of the following is true with regard to the given information? First option, only one person has scored more than P, right? No, right? No one has scored more than P. So the option A is wrong. They are telling no one scored less than T. They are telling T is the last scorer from the sequence. They are telling no one scored less than T. This could be the probable answer. Let's check out the remaining options also. R scored more than Q and S. No, R scored more than only S and T, right? But R did not score more than Q. Among 5 friends, S is most likely to have scored 95 marks in an examination. This is also a wrong options, right? None is true. As we got second B as the right answer, we can't plot E as none is true. So the right option for this question is option B. Next question. If S scored 23 marks less than the marks scored by Q, which of the following could possibly be R's score, right? They are telling from the passage we have Q's score is 87 and they are telling S is scored 23 marks less than Q, right? 87 minus 23, right? 87 minus 23 will be 7 minus 3, 4. 8 minus 2 is 6. So the S has scored 64 marks. They are asking which of the following could be possibly be R's score. The R's score will be in between 87 and 64. You need to search in option between 87 and 64. Okay. On looking at the option, there is only one option in between this range. In between this range, we have only 78. So the possible score of R is 78. So the right option is option E. Moving on to our next problem. A, B, C, D and E are 5 friends. A is shorter than B but taller than E. C is the tallest. D is little shorter than B and little taller than A. Who will be in the middle, right? Here A needs to satisfy 2 conditions. That is, he should be shorter when compared to B and he should be taller when compared to E. This is the first condition. And the second condition they are telling C is the tallest person. And the third condition he is telling D is little shorter when compared to B and he is little taller when compared to A, right? Out of these conditions, we need to frame a sequence now, okay? B, A and E are in a sequential position. C is the tallest position and D when compared to B, he is the smallest and when compared to A, he is the tallest, okay? On having these conditions, we have the sequence as C, B, D, A, E. They are asking who will be in the middle position. In the middle position, we have D over here. So the right option is option D. Moving on to our next problem. Mahesh is taller than Suresh. Anil is taller than Mahesh. Ramesh is taller than Anil. Prabhakar is taller than all of. Who will be exactly in the middle? Let us solve now. In first condition they have Mahesh is taller than Suresh. Next, Anil should be taller than Mahesh. Ramesh should be taller than Anil. Prabhakar is the tallest of all, right? When compared to all, Prabhakar is the tallest. In the first position we are having Prabhakar and then R and A. R and A. A is continued by M. M is continued by S. So the right sequence for this problem is P, R, A, M, S. Who will be in the middle? Exactly, Anil is in the middle of the row. So the right option for this question is option B. Moving on to our next question. Kumar, the younger brother of Suresh, is elder than Ganesh. Prakash, who is younger to Satish, is older than Suresh. Who among them is eldest? Kumar is older than Ganesh. When compared to Suresh, he is the younger brother. So in the first position we have Suresh. In the second order we have Prakash, who is younger brother of Satish. That Prakash is older than Suresh. We have 2 conditions. By these 2 conditions we can frame a sequence that is Satish, next Prakash, third one Suresh, then Kumar, last one Ganesh. This is the sequence out of two conditions. They are asking the who among them is the eldest. So the eldest among all these is Satish. So the right option is option A. Moving on to our next problem. Among P, Q, R, S, T, each having secured different marks, R scored more marks than P and T. Right? They are telling R has scored more marks than P and T. Next, Q scored less marks than T. Q has scored less marks when compared to T. S did not score the highest marks. In the first position, we can't write yes. They are asking who among them is the scored highest marks. From these conditions, we can clearly say that the first scorer is R, second scorer is P, third scorer is T, fourth scorer is Q. Here in this problem, the position of S is indefinite. In spite of S position indefiniteness, we can clearly say that who is in the first position, right? R is in the first position. They have clearly shown that R scored more marks than P and T. So we can clearly say that R will be in a first position. Here in this problem, the position of S is indefinite. Okay. So keep playing around puzzles concept. Thank you.